The Workplace of the Future project was a joint attempt by Clark Quinn and Learnnovators to develop an e-learning course in the face of typical practical constraints and share it with a learning community free of charge, along with the design and decision-making process. It was a tribute to the late J. Cross, the champion of informal learning and working smarter. The course covers 4 topics: freeing up the flow of information, making work meaningful, working out loud, and setting a safe culture, each topic comprising branching scenarios and other activities. As soon as you enter a topic, you are placed in context, as shown here. In this case, you have just joined an organization, and are about to enter a meeting with the CEO and others to brainstorm solutions for an organizational problem. As the head of HR, your task is to convince the executive team on the merits of freeing up information flow within the organization. Naturally, you make a series of decisions as a learner, and view the consequences of your decisions yourself. Whereas feedback is provided only at the end of the scenario, the choices are all equally credible, and require a lot of consideration. Your decisions can lead you down the best path, or to a less optimal one. All scenarios provide the option to revisit. The idea was to encourage learners to revisit the scenarios as many times as possible, and none of the content is available up front. It is deliberately minimal and presented as a reference, only to be pulled up when needed, to help make good decisions in the scenario. This map illustrates the path you're taking, and is an indicator of how you're faring in the scenario. The dots, as you can see, light up as you progress, with a red or a green dot indicating the end, depending on how you did. Similarly, the chat window shows the transcript of the conversation you've had thus far in the scenario, to help you analyze your decisions further if you wish to do so. The course uses no audio, both has a good principle and to support accessing at work and in other public locations. And finally, we've kept the navigation simple and open, allowing learners to explore and learn without any restriction.